This smart hack gets you perfect al dente pasta faster than ever. Pour 1 litre of cold water into a wide skillet pan. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 250 grams of pasta to the pan. And put it on high heat. Do not overcrowd your pan. Watch the water come to boil in about 5 to 6 minutes and stir a couple of times. Reduce the heat to medium and let the pasta cook for about 10 minutes. Try a strand to make sure it's cooked to your liking. If you want it less salty, drain the pasta and give it a rinse. If you like it as it is, just take them out of the pan with a pasta spatula. Save the water to use in your sauce. It makes a great binder. Voila! Pasta perfection in less time.